everyone, we're now at the South China International Exhibition on Printing Industry in Guangzhou. Next to me is the head of Horda Intelligent Equipment. Please say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Lu Yanjun from Zhejiang Horda Intelligent Equipment Co-Bank Lead. I am mainly responsible for market sales.
Mr. Lu, could you tell us about some of the highlights of the products you are exhibiting this time?
For this Printing South China, we have mainly brought three types of machines. The first is our high-speed case making machine. The second one is our collapsible box wings making machine for collapsible boxes. And the third one is a very small and precise case making machine for eyeshadow boxes, which can produce boxes as small as 6x12.
Thank you for the introduction, Mr. Lu. Among the machines exhibited today, which one is particularly popular with customers or the public?
Horda Intelligent has always been committed to the research and development of high-quality packaging equipment. We mainly provide production solutions for boutique boxes. We have been cultivating in the field of boutique box equipment, in the field of collapsible boxes, including high-end case-making machines for cigarette and wine packaging. We have invested a lot of effort. We aim to create simple and efficient production solutions for our customers.
Thank you very much for your introduction, Mr. Lu. Thank you, Mr. Lu, and thank you to Horda Intelligent. We wish Horda Intelligent all the best.